Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix the loading screen glitches in Roblox games. So follow each step carefully to get your game running smoothly. So the first thing that you will have to do if you encounter this issue is close Roblox and reopen it. And then you could also go to your history and go ahead and click delete browsing data and delete your cache images and files alone if needed. And then after all that stops, what you will have to do is basically check for Roblox updates and install them. And then you will just have to disable unnecessary scripts, plugins, or extensions if you do have them on your Chrome or whatsoever. And then you could also restart your PC or your device if this problem continues. And by the way, you could also try joining a different server so that you will be able to ensure that it is not server related or game related. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.